Hello and welcome to this quick look at USB hub with a Type-C connector. This is the box it arrives in, where we find the USB hub and a user manual. There is also an offer to get a free gift from the UtechSmart company, and there is also a carrying pouch. You can see more details about the company's products at UtechSmart.com. The USB hub itself is very light. It weighs just 3.5 ounces or 100 grams, and the dimensions are 4.5 inches in length, 2.25 in width, and it's about 0.6 inches thick. There is ample of ports around this USB hub, and we find 4 USB ports. 2 are 3.0 and 2 are 2.0. Then there is a VGA port, an Ethernet connector, and on the other side you can plug in your headphones for audio. Then there is the full-size SD card or micro SD card slots, a full-size HDMI, and finally a port where you can plug in and charge your device at the same time that you use this hub. The connector to your device is Type-C, and the cord is 6 inches in length. This USB hub turned out to be the most versatile and with the most ports I could find, and it worked really well with our Microsoft Surface tablet, allowing us to connect both keyboard and mouse to this hub and work with our Microsoft Surface tablet. This is the end of the quick look at the 11-to-1 UtechSmart USB hub, and thank you very much for watching.